What's up, people? I'm making this video because when I went to look at cages, I really like this Impaktech one, but there's no reviews on it. There's nothing I could find on the internet of videos to show you how to install it. So I'm making this for everyone who's gonna buy a cage after me, and I'll throw in a video that'll show you the bike going down with it on. So I ordered it, said it would take a couple weeks to come in because they were gonna they make to order, but it actually came a lot quicker. I think it came within like 5 to 7 days or something like that. So I got the package. I bought the fronts and the backs together. First thing I was worried about is going to add too much weight to the bike. Actually, surprisingly, didn't add too much weight. Between the two front bars and the back bar, it probably added like 10 or 12 pounds. I forget, I weighed it out, but a lot less than I thought. When you start riding, you'll notice it at first, but I mean after a week you won't even notice the weight difference. So I still didn't know how to put them on. I actually put the back one on, popped this off. You take the passenger pegs off. These fit right there. I was worried that this would be like bent up, but it's actually pretty flush. So it fits right on, fits real good. You even use the same bolts, obviously, to get it back in. And if your pipe is on the side, they make something for that to it clips on. Luckily I didn't have that problem. So I put it on, and you know, it's sturdy. I really like the look it gives, because I mean, I hate chrome on a black bike. And then I brought this to a shop because I didn't want to start drilling holes in the shit, not knowing where it went. And the guy didn't even fucking know how to put it on, but you know, he figured it out. So if you're doing it yourself, this might give you a little frame of reference. This is a Honda CBR 600. You can see it's a little scratched just from falling over. And the other side, I went down on this side, it slid. And the bar came in a little bit, and now it's touching, so I just put a little piece of tape in there because I don't feel like adjusting it. But I mean, even when I have to change the oil, what I was worried about is taking the whole cage off. You had to do this, but I can actually get this off and just squeak it by enough to change the oil. But you know what? I love this cage. It's not really bulky like a lot of cages are. And if you're gonna lean a lot, it's not really gonna hit the ground. They technically say this is a racing cage, but I mean, race, stunt, it's gonna protect your shit. These 2 points are gonna take most of the blow, and then this will be like the last thing to save your bike. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you found this helpful, give me a like, subscribe. I've got a ton of do-it-yourself videos, and I'll see you on the next one.